Alright, so I'm going to make this video going over the Asian American History Month slides, because if you're like me, you're a little distracted, so I thought I'd read these to you to help you out. So, first person, Maya Lin. Maya Lin is a Chinese American. She was a student at Yale University when she submitted her design for the Vietnam Veterans Memorial National Competition in Washington, D.C. and won. The memorial honors service members who lost their lives in Vietnam, Southeast Asia during the Vietnam War. It's a famous memorial and admired by many people around the world, so she's a famous architect. You'd answer these questions in a complete sentence. And we've used this slide to help us, right? Okay. Steve Chen. Steve Chen is a Taiwanese American who co-founded YouTube, a website that allows people to share their videos. He moved to the United States when he was 8 years old with his family. He later studied and graduated with a computer science degree. YouTube has allowed people from around the world to connect and share their videos. So, Steve Chen is a computer scientist that helped invent YouTube. Make sure to use complete sentences on those. You click on them and you plug in your answers. Okay, Dr. Michio Kaku. Dr. Michio Kaku is a Japanese American and a famous professor of theoretical physics. He's also famous for sharing his knowledge on physics and other science subjects in books, on radio, TV, and film. He also makes appearances on BBC, the Discovery Channel, History Channel, and Science Channel. So, Dr. Michio Kaku is a famous physicist. Okay, and the last person we're going to be reading about is Michelle Kwan. Michelle Kwan, one of my favorite people in the world, is a Chinese American and a famous retired Olympic figure skater. She won the World Figure Skating Competition 5 times and the silver and bronze medals at the Olympics. She began skating at 5 years old after watching her brother play hockey. She won her first competition a year later, which then began her ice skating career. Alright, not to be super biased, but if you have a chance, you should look her up on YouTube. Her dances are amazing. Okay, and you'll just fill that out. Once you're done completing this, push share and make sure to submit it. Have an awesome day. Yay!